Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope all of you are fine and safe inside your homes. Now, today we are going to continue with the first chapter under civics, which is role of government in health. I repeat, we are going to continue the second part of this chapter, that is role of government in health. Now, today we are going to study about the systems of healthcare. Today we are going to study about the systems of healthcare. Now we have two systems of healthcare, that is the private healthcare and the public healthcare. I repeat, we have two systems of healthcare, that is private healthcare and the public healthcare. So now let us start with the first one. So what is public healthcare? I repeat, what is public healthcare? It is a network. It is a network of clinics and hospitals which is run by the government, both in rural areas and also in urban areas. It is a network of clinics and hospitals which is run by the government in both rural areas and in urban areas. Health workers such as nurses, they are trained under the supervision of the doctors at the primary health centers. Now it is known as public healthcare system. Why? Because it is providing all of its services to all the nation or to all the citizens of the nation. It is known as public healthcare system. Why? Because it is providing services, it is providing medical services to all the people of this nation. Important function of the public healthcare system is to prevent the spread of diseases like malaria, TB and all of it. But it can be only possible when the government and the people, that is the citizens of the nation, are working together towards being healthy. So this was about public healthcare system, which is complete. Important function of the public healthcare system is that to prevent the spread of the diseases like malaria, TB, which is tuberculosis, etc. But it is only possible when both the government and the citizens of the nation are equally paying attention in these matters and they are continuously working for a better and a healthy environment. So this was about the public healthcare system, which is completely run by the government in both rural areas and in urban areas. Now we will have a look at the private healthcare system. Now from the word private itself you can understand that what do we mean by private. Private means it is not owned by the government, it is owned by the individuals. It is owned by the individual. India has many private facilities. India has many private facilities, like there are private colleges, private medical colleges, there are private laboratories, private hospitals, private clinics. All of it are what? These are all private services. These are all the private hospitals which are giving the services to the people. There are many doctors who practice in their own private clinics and giving services to their patients. And also large scale production of medicines is going on because many private companies have entered into this sector. So this is what we mean by the private healthcare system. So now let us have a quick recap of all the things that we have studied today, starting with the systems of healthcare, that is the public healthcare and the private healthcare. What do we mean by public healthcare? It is a network of clinics and hospitals which is run by the government in both rural areas and also in urban areas. It is providing services to all the people at free of cost, or you can say at very minimal price. Whereas on the other hand we have private healthcare system which is not providing free of cost services but is charging the fees from the patient, and it is completely owned by the private individuals, that is it is owned by the individuals and it is not run by the government. So today we have covered in all two topics, that is private healthcare system and public healthcare system. I hope you are all clear with these two topics. Thank you and have a nice day.